Hello YouTubers, this is Emilio's Coolchannel Coolfun. Today I'm gonna show you how to do an oil change on a 2004 Chevy Silverado. Okay, I don't know much about cars, but I know a little bit, so I'm gonna show you as much as I can. I hope you learn something today. I'm not gonna change the oil filter because I don't have it with me. All I'm gonna do is do the oil change. Okay, stay with me. I'm gonna show you as much as I can. So here we go. See, I'm gonna show you. Silverado Chevy. All right, I'm gonna show you. As you see, I got the truck already up, ready to go. Okay, got my flashing light just in case I need it, so I'm gonna need it. See, I'm gonna show you guys. See, I got my pan for the oil, the bed oil, and the truck is up. Always work safety. And I hope I can show you something. Okay. All right, here we go. This is I don't know about tools, but it's a 15 millimeter, whatever it is. Yeah. Right there. 15. So you under the truck. See, there is your tire, the front tire. So what you gotta do is, from the tire, you go back, right in the middle, see? And that is the bolt you gotta take out for the oil pan. To do the oil change. See, there's the other tire. It's right in the middle. So the back of the front tire, in the middle is where the bolt is for you to take out the. All you gotta do is untie it, take the bolt out, and the oil is gonna come out. Let me see if I can do it where I can show you guys. I don't know, because this is a little uncomfortable. Okay, so let me put my head down. Maybe I can do it with my head. My fucking head. I don't know if I got it in the right spot. Let me see. Okay, that's the bolt. That's the bolt I'm taking now, people. Okay, let's see if I can switch it over a little bit. Wait a minute. All right, that's the bolt. So, yeah, right there. All right, let me see. I hope I don't fuck my phone up. See, so let's put this on. Loose it. Bring your pen up so you don't make a mess in the parking lot or the driveway. So raise it up. I'm just gonna take the bolt out. It's gonna go all the way out. That's why I'm doing it like this. See? Oh, what the fuck? Wait a minute, fuck, motherfucker. I just knocked the bolt out. There it is, see? Here is the bolt, people. This is the bolt. Right? All the oil is coming out. And that's it, pretty much. Once you take, always wear dirty clothes that you don't use really much. Don't use your good clothes. So there it is, all the oil coming out. Oh fuck. Okay, that is right there, see? Like a water faucet. Water coming out. Oh man, the pen is getting full. So I hope I don't need another one. I didn't know I had that much. Holy moly. But there it is, people. See? always it's better to do the oil change when your truck has been parked for like 2 or 3 hours. Don't do it when it's hot. When you just drove for a while and you drive it, all the oil is hot. And if you do it, be really careful, it's gonna burn your hands. So what I'm saying is always work safety, people, okay? See, let it drain out right there. That's it right there. See that? Drain, 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 people. Let it drain. Just let it go for a while. See? It's dark, so it needed the oil change. There it is. Remember, this is Emilio's Coolchannel Coolfun, okay? This is Emilio's grandpa. That. And then you can put the oil in a, let's say in a barrel, a small barrel, or like a gallon of milk. You just dump it inside or something, save it, and you can take it to where they fix cars and shit like that, shops, whatever, and they take it for free, so you don't have to pay. You just take it, and they, whatever burn oil you got, just take it, and they save it. I don't know why they do it, but they always take used oil from cars. So always be safety, work for the world. Remember, we gotta save the world, people. So, alrighty, my friends. See, it's almost done. So, what I'm gonna do is, shit. I'm only gonna show you a little bit because I don't have much oil on me, so I'm just gonna put in a little bit. But the oil is drained out right now. See, all the last drippage right there. It's going out still. But if I were to have another extra 3/4 of oil, an extra clean one, I would dump it in to clean it out. You know what I mean? To clean all the stuff out, but I don't have it, so I only have a little bit. See, like after it drops, you can dump, small little 3/4 of clean oil, dump it to clean it out, and nice. And this is where the oil filter is, so I'm supposed to take this out, but I don't have it today, so I wasn't expecting to do the oil change today. I don't know where, I just decided to do it because the truck has been asking me for it. So, but always when you do an oil change, always do the oil filter too, or whatever that thing is called. Always do the oil change and the oil thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it's so simple and easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Never doubt of yourself, okay, people? Always say yes, I can. Never put thoughts on anything you can do. You always say yes, I can, and you can do it, people. Okay. So that's it, pretty much right there. Let it drop. Let me just clean this out. Shit. Now they wait to do it, but I'm doing it. And that's it. See, it's right. Like I said, if I hit a little bit more of extra clean oil, I want to dump a little bit to clean it all out nice, but I don't have it. So that's it. You just let it drain out and put this ball back in. It only takes a couple minutes. You go to the shop, they are gonna charge you like 40-50 bucks, and they give you the cheapest oil they got. Like if you do it yourself, you can buy the most expensive and cheap. See, all you gotta do is just tie it and that's it. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's it, see? And that's it, people. You guys did it with me. If I can do it, you guys can, okay? So now I'm just trying to cheer you guys up, give you a positive attitude, okay? Always. I like to be positive towards people, especially people who has doubts on themselves. So never have doubts on yourself. Don't give up. Never give up. You always say it doesn't matter how hard. It doesn't matter how hard the job is. You always say, yes, I can, okay? So keep that attitude and that vibe. And I'm gonna show you, let me bring this out slowly. You don't wanna dump it all over the driveway or the garage. Yeah, wasn't so careful in the beginning, so I dropped a little bit. Always slow, people. Slowly, slowly. Because that is full. That is full of board oil. Okay. Now that I'm thinking, I don't even know if I got the oil with me. So now I gotta check the truck or check inside the garage. What am I thinking? Or what am I doing, right? That's it, people. See, nice and slow. Always watch your head. You don't want to hit your head and steer shit. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna put the oil in, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Okay, here we go. So stay with me. I hope I'm teaching you something right. Okay, there's the bolt. Remember, the back of the tire right there, the front tires right in the back of it. There's the other tire. The back of the tire just goes straight to the middle, and that's where the bolt is, right there. Okay, and then right next to it is the oil filter right here. I'm supposed to change that, but I don't have it yet, so I need to buy a new one and put it on. I'm supposed to do it at the same time, but I didn't. So I wasn't like I said, I wasn't expecting to do the oil change today. I don't know where. I just got my ass off the couch and decided to do it. So I gotta inspect my truck. So there we go. See, that's the oil. It's all burned out. So, oh shoot! See, now I have to open the truck and check the oil. Right there. If you don't know where that thing, wherever the front is, to lift the front up, it's right here, right next to your door. See? Right there. Boom. Boom. Right there. Okay, people? And if you think you got out of energy and you got no power, hey, drink this. What are you? Protein, see? Protein. 30 grams protein, low fat, okay? To keep your muscles going. Okay, now let's go in the front. Pop this truck up. Come on, truck. Work with me. Right there. Finally, get up there. This. Okay, now this is the deal here. Let me check where the oil goes. Shoot. All right, I know. So I'm kind of short, okay? So because I'm kind of short and I don't got the steps with me, but I do have some tires here that I can use to get tall. See? You always gotta work smart. Always, people. Okay? Like I say, never say I can't reach or I can't do it. You always find your way to do something. Okay? Whatever you're doing, you never say, oh, I can't do it or I can't reach. There's always ways, always a way to do something. Okay? So now, where the fuck is... If I'm not wrong, I don't know. I think that's the oil, where you put the oil in right there. S-A-E 5W30. Okay? All you have to do is just put the oil there. Yep. Right here, you open this. And get over here. And I think that's where you put the oil. I'm not even sure, people. I don't know. I hope it is. Help me out. Say something, please. I don't know. Or is that one? Help me out. This is my first truck, okay? Like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it. But, well, that's for the washer fluid. Yep. Yep. Let's see. So, let me see. Yep, that's for the antifreeze. So, yeah, I think this is for the where you put the oil. Now I gotta find the oil. Okay, so wait for me here, people. Okay, stay with me. Don't go nowhere. I'm trying to put it up somewhere where you guys can see what I'm doing here. So if I fuck my truck up, don't fuck your truck up, okay? I'm just kidding. Oh, she's next. What is Emilio when I need him? Emilio is what is the thing? Oh, right here. Right there, people. That's where you put the oil. Let me look for the oil. Wait for me. I'm coming, people. Wait. Okay, I'm back. So all you gotta do is put this so you don't have to make a mess. Okay? See that? You put like a cone in. See that? Because I don't have much oil, so I'm gonna have to go buy more and put more oil in. That's it right there. That's all I got for now. I gotta go buy another gallon. Like I said, when you go to the shop, they give you the cheapest oil they got, and they tell you they give you the good shit. You do it yourself, you can buy the more expensive oil, and it's cheaper. This gallon should be enough, but I only have half, so I gotta go buy another one. See, I got this. I got this oil here. I mean this barrel, however you call it, gallon, whatever you wanna call it. I can put the used oil in here and take it to the shop, Monroe Muffler or Midas or Firestone, I don't know, anywhere, and they take it for free. All you gotta do is walk in and give it to them. Okay? Always do the right thing. And that's pretty much it for now. Like I said, if you are short like me, you can reach right there. If you got nothing else, whatever you got, right? And then all you gotta do is make sure that's all the way in. Try not to make much mess in your car. And that's it. Like I said, you have to put more oil in. I just gotta go buy it. And that's it. It's tight. That's it, people. Let me know what else you want to know. I'll do my best to show you guys what to do. Okay? If you want to know about roofing, put your comments down. What else? When I do roofing, what else you want to know about roofing? I can explain you. I can tell you everything. I'm gonna be doing more houses eventually the next couple days, all this season, for the next spares, for the next 7-8 months coming. So every day I'll be doing roofing. Let me know what do you want to know or learn, and I'll do my best to teach you guys the right way. And don't forget to like and subscribe Emilio's Cool Channel. Give thumbs up to my homie boy Emilio. Okay? Peace out, people. Stay safe. Okay? Have a nice weekend. Peace. And if you like the video, thumbs up. Peace. Have a good weekend. This is Emilio's grandpa. Emilio's Cool Channel Coolfun. Peace out.